Hi friends, today we want to share with you a rescue story that Chuck started. When we took Chuck for a morning walk, Chuck was smelling something. Then we looked at it closely and found out that it is a baby nightingale. We think that she had fallen off the nest with an attack of another bird since the back of her head was injured. We took her home immediately, and with this our rescue story has started. She was wet. First, we tried to dry her by holding her next to the window under the sun. Then we checked on YouTube how to save these type of birds. We found at one video, one person was giving the bird baby food. We took our little one's baby food and tried to give her with our son's nose cleaner. But she did not eat. Then we tried to give water with cotton ear stick. She drank a bit. Then we found a dead fly next to one of our windows. We tried to give it to her. She did not open her mouth for this either. She was very tired and afraid of the attack and falling off the nest. That's why she didn't want to eat, but she was trusting us from the beginning on. We made a cage for her with the things that we had at home. We put a sewing needle from one side to another at the cage to make a place for her to stand on. We put some bread pieces and water with the hope that she would eat a bit. We named her Sky. Then we went to a pet store and explained our story. The guy at the pet store gave us floor worms, and he said that she would love these and start to eat. We also bought a food for nestlings, but first we needed to start with the floor worms. Once she was dry and rested, she became powerful. We tried giving her the worms again and again. She was not interested at the beginning, but during that time she started to practice flying already. Then in the evening, she started to eat. You will witness here how she ate several worms. At that time, our hopes became bigger. We believed that she would live. We decided to keep Chuck and Sky separated the first day since Sky was very weak, but in the later days you will see them coming together. We hope you enjoyed the first day of our rescue story. More will come.